Where's my little Liberty? Hi, Liberty. You want to step up? Oh, she does. He does. Definitely. Absolutely wants to step up. Hi, baby boo. Ooh. Well, that's okay. That's okay. You can still eat nuts. Have a nice time. Right, Liberty, Liberty? It's okay, baby. Liberty's a good bird. Yay, Liberty. You're so funny. You're such a funny little baby. Look how pretty you are, and your belly feathers are coming. Somebody's getting belly feathers. Who's got belly feathers coming? Can I pet you? Ooh. I'm sorry. That was too soon, huh? All right. You need comfort. You can have comfort for now. Okay.